In this video, we are going to test and review SeaGate NAS hard drive, which is a 4 TB hard disk. This is a 5900 RPM hard drive that offers you reliable performance. It is a NAS drive. It is not a regular hard drive that you use in your desktop. You can see the thickness of this drive. This is a 3.5-inch hard drive with a very large data space. Now, SeaGate has designed this drive for NAS solution where you can simply hook a storage space for other users to access it and to share different files. It also comes under high performance hard drive. In NAS solution you can use around 5 different hard drive of the same specification, where you can have a 20 TB of your own network storage. You can use it as a cloud server, or you can simply use it as a file server. The performance output is really great here. This drive works fine. It has the NAS work firmware that makes it more reliable in terms of data recovery, error control, drive vibration, etc. This kind of hard drive are designed to work 25/7, and these are only recommended as a backup solution. SeaGate NAS 4 TB is quite better for those for a small size network, or for a mid-size where you have a LAN network up to 10 to 15 PC. You can hook this hard drive on a NAS solution, and you can fix it on a network so that everyone has a shared space. You can use different NAS operating system like FreeNAS, which I have tested on this hard disk, and I'll show you that later on. Now, compared to a regular hard drive, this one has additional benefit of having more better data reliability. Now, this drive is designed for performance output, due to which it is low on power consumption. It does not consume much power, due to which it also remains low on temperature. The only additional thing you have here on this hard drive is NAS work firmware, which makes it completely ideal choice for network storage. Being a high capacity hard drive, which is 4 TB, you can store many things inside it. You can store your multimedia files or simple documents. You will not have a space issue here. This drive is powered by SATA 6 Gbps interface, due to which it offers you a fast data transfer speed. Also, I had said that this drive does not consume much of your power, due to which it remains cooler while in operation. We'll just connect the drive in the system and we'll see the output here. The prime features which I had already told you about this drive is it offers you a high performance, good storage space, NAS work firmware, advanced power management, quiet drive operation, affordable NAS solution, and compatible with leading NAS solution provider that you can find on the official SeaGate website. On FreeNAS, it is very easy to configure this 4 TB hard drive. Well, you can also use it as a secondary hard drive in your system, where you can save your data, backup your files, etc. Whoever who is looking for a large storage space can use this hard drive, but remember that this is a performance drive. It is not a high-speed hard drive that offers you great data transfer output. This drive is designed for performance and output. It is ideal for data backup and other stuff. So configuring this on a NAS is much more better. Now here you can see the drive is configured on FreeNAS. I have used ZFS file system here to hook the entire 4 TB. Now, if you want to use this hard drive in your desktop, you can use it on Windows 7, because on Windows XP there is a limit of complete hard drive space. While using this on FreeNAS is much more easier compared to using it as a secondary hard drive, because you have an optimum solution for file storage in your network. Here you can see the volume which is mounted, the entire 4 TB volume, which is configured as a network storage. Compared to other NAS software available, I found FreeNAS is one of the most easiest one to use. You can simply go in Windows Share, and you can configure the volume to share on sharing and allow guest access, so that everyone on the network can use it, or else you can simply customize, or you can simply add the user whom you want to give the access. You can also configure Active Directory on. Once the drive is properly configured, it appears in your network places as the name whatever you have given it. Like in my case, I have given as FreeNAS. You can see the folder available here. Now I'll transfer some data inside there, and we'll see the transfer speed over LAN network. Now this is 53 GB of data, and for transferring my files I'm using Teracopy software. You can see the maximum speed that I'm getting for transfer is around 10 MB per second, which is on my local LAN network. I'm not using a high-speed network here, and even on that I'm getting a reliable speed. So if you're having a good network in your office or home, And if you're looking for a centralized solution for storing your all files at one place and accessing them whenever you want, you can go with this SeaGate NAS hard drive. The only benefit of using this hard drive is that you have a reliable solution for keeping your files at one place, and 4 TB space is more than enough for keeping everything like multimedia files, HD videos, audio, etc. Configuring a file server or a cloud storage using SeaGate 4TB NAS is much more easier compared to any other thing. Now we will go by some benchmarking and file transfer speed test on Windows 8. I am using the SeaGate NAS hard drive as a secondary hard drive. I have installed Windows on another hard drive, which is SSHD by SeaGate only. First we'll go with a manual data transfer. We'll copy paste amount of data from the internal storage and I'll copy that in the secondary drive, and we'll see what is the maximum output I am getting here. I am right now using a 3 Gbps SATA interface, due to which the drive will give a low data transfer speed, but if the same drive is used on a 6 Gbps interface, the output will be much more better. Here in Windows 8 you can see the drive is detected as a complete 465 GB of space. The same drive is detected around 490 or higher GB in NAS operating system. So we'll just move some data. We'll just copy data from one hard drive to another, and we'll see what is the transfer rate we are getting on this. You can see this is the internal transfer speed, which is around 70 to 80 MB per second, which is really impressive. 2 to 3 GB of data is instantly copied inside the hard drive, so this drive can be an ideal backup solution for desktop PC. Now we will run a Crystal Disk Mark test to find out what is the maximum read and write speed. Now here you can see the test performance of Crystal Disk Mark on this NAS 4 TB hard drive. You can see it's showing a maximum read speed of 68 MB per second and maximum write speed is 113 MB per second, which is not bad at all. We'll go with one more benchmarking test via HD Tune Pro, and we'll see what output it is giving us. Now this is HD Tune Pro software in which I am running a benchmarking test for the SeaGate hard drive. You can see on the top side it is showing the complete 4000 GB space, which is actually a 4 TB hard drive, while other software does not read it complete. I am first performing a read test here. This is the minimum and maximum speed the software finds. Being a performance hard drive, you can expect a lot more from this. It offers you more reliable output compared to a regular internal hard drive that we often use in a desktop PC. Powered by NASwork firmware, this hard drive is more reliable in terms of data recovery also. It is also more performance intensive. Even after using it for a long time, it does not consume much power, due to which it remains more cooler. Now the benchmarking test is almost over. This is only for the read speed. You can see the maximum output and the minimum output here, which is quite great. On an average, this drive is capable of giving you 138 MB of read speed. Now we'll test out the write speed also. Here you can see the write speed of this hard drive. This is the maximum and minimum speed. You can see it offers you a minimum 154 MB and maximum 173 MB per second. Everything here depends upon the configuration and the type of hardware you're using. Now this software is testing testing this hard drive on the basis of 6 Gbps SATA interface, due to which it is giving really nice output. We'll check out the last average data transfer speed we are going to get from this tool for this hard drive. Now here you can see the test is over, and the average write speed that we are getting on this hard drive is 136.9 MB per second, which is not bad enough. So in this way you can see in terms of performance, SeaGate 4 TB NAS is quite great, and it gives you exceptional performance. All you need is to have a nice SATA 6 Gbps interface on your motherboard to get the optimum file transfer speed. SeaGate 4 TB hard drive is a performance drive which is powered by NASwork firmware that makes it more reliable. You can trust this drive. It is simple to use with various NAS based. SeaGate officially provides support for many NAS solutions. You can find that on the official website of SeaGate. The main feature of this hard drive is it remains cooler when you're using it. It offers you better power management. The data transfer speed is also quite great as expected. Being a 5900 RPM hard drive, still it is better compared to regular desktop hard drive that we found easily in the market. Due to 4 TB space, you have ample of thing to store on the drive. The drive works perfectly on a network where you have 5 to 10 workstation. But if you are having a more bigger network, I will recommend you to go for a NAS solution where you can hook up multiple hard drive and use them as a backup solution. The positive point of this hard drive is it is low on power usage. It is great for long and reliable performance. It offers you low data latency and NASPOC firmware. While the negative aspect of this hard drive is ideal for small network only if you're using a single one.
That's all for now. For more review, tutorial, news and updates on latest technology, visit techarena.in. Thank you. Have a nice day.